Ivy Catherine, your architect and property specialist. And for today's video, andito ako sa Laia, San Juan, Batangas. So nakita niyo naman na sa background ko, Club Laia. So if you are familiar with Playa Laia, so Playa Laia po kasi is the residential estate. While yung Club Laia naman po, yung commercial side niya or commercial estate. But Club Laia has two parts. So ito yung nasa likod ko, Club Laia Seaside District, and this one naman po is the Premier District. So Seaside District is basically for commercial residential, and Premier District po is residential, but you can have it for personal use or yung mga ipinaparent nyo po through Airbnb. Okay, so Club Laia Seaside District is a beachfront residential and commercial estate where lot owners can fully maximize their property by putting up shop houses that can serve the tourist market. All lots can access the beach and are situated near the resort amenities. So in Club Laia Seaside District, we have 5 lots available ranging from 300 square meter to 415 square meters, and price ranges from 56,800 per square meter up to 61,500 per square meter. Reservation fee po is 200,000 per lot. And yung terms naman po, either cash, deferred, or yung balance lump sum. So all lots here have direct access po sa dagat, since yan, kung I'm not sure if nabi-visual siya dito, but that portion yan, dagat na yan. Ayan. So in Seaside District, they have amenities as well. So they have the Cava View Boulevard. So I'll be providing some photos here. Shops, beach promenade, Plaza Laia, and the boardwalk. So yan po yung mga amenities here in Seaside District. So yan, Club Laia Seaside District. And dito naman sa Club Laia Premier District, so they have attractions and amenities such as the main gate. I'll be showing some photos here. So main gate, the events venue, sports club, club pool, which is the common pool, exclusive pool, mini park, eco trail, deep well, water reservoir, sewage treatment, and yung linear pool nila, which is mahaba, parang extending up to doon sa dulong part ng Club Laia Premier District. So dito po yung mga lots or cuts na available is 300 square meter up to 529 square meter with price ranging from 38,000 to 40,400 per square meter. So terms is also same with Club Laia Seaside District. So pwedeng cash, deferred, balance, lump sum. Yan. And yung reservation fee naman po dito is 100,000 per lot. So apart from yung mga video ko na ganyan, so I'll be showing also drone shot of the whole Club Laia District.